Alrighty, I wanted to do a little demo of something I was working on, and I actually started this plugin like 5 years ago, but I got kind of busy with life, and I decided to revive it recently because I've been anxiously awaiting um, my son to be born, and I always get kind of anxious when that happens and start building something with source mod. So the first thing that this is a practice plugin, and the primary intent is to practice grenades. But one of the cool features is that if you look in my bottom right corner, I'm actually holding every single grenade type, including um, incendiary and Molotov in the same at the same time. So that's a kind of a neat little feature, and that extends to primary weapons. So I can actually hold an AK and a op at the same time. Um, and this is extended to any sort of weapon, so secondary weapon, primary weapon, etc. And one of the other neat features of this plugin is that it's designed to help you practice grenades. So what you can do is you can open up this menu, which right now I don't have a shortcut for, but and you can go and place different spots where you want to practice these grenades. So a simple example is if I go ahead and throw a flashbang over long, I want to know that it blinds this person and this person. So I can turn playback on and then take my flashbang off, or out, excuse me, and just throw a flash right over. And in a second or two, it'll teleport me to those locations and let me visualize what that flashbang looks like to those spots. And right here, same thing. Okay. Um, One more feature that's kind of nice is I've gotten it so if I throw a smoke grenade, by default, the smoke will be. Oh, I just realized I had playback on. Let me actually retry that. Sorry about that. So by default, smoke grenades will be very short, so only last a few seconds, and I achieved that with a custom particle effect and some other trickery. Um, but the intent of that being that when you're practicing grenades, you don't want to sit there and wait 30 seconds or 20 seconds for the smoke to finish. And I could turn that off as well and just go ahead and throw one, and it'll be just a normal little smoke, just like all the rest of them. Oh, I keep forgetting to turn playback off, but my apologies. And then last but not least, and this is actually something that someone in Discord here inspired. They figured out how to make it so you can throw grenades for different tick rates. So I can switch between 64 tick and 128 tick grenade throws, and that will basically make it so it mimics the physics differences between the two. And that primarily works by adjusting the first tick that a grenade is thrown at. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been working on. I'll link the GitHub repository so you guys can check it out. And thanks